Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you find your favorite on AllTrails app. If you want to find your favorites on AllTrails app, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, make sure to update your application. So go to your Play Store or an App Store. On the search box, type in AllTrails. After which, check for an update and then log into your account by tapping the open button. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. So here you can see this is the way. After which, what you want to do is click the profile from the bottom right hand side corner. That is going to take you to your profile info page. After which, you want to click on the save button. As soon as you do that, you could find my favorite right over here. Now currently I haven't added any of the favorites, so basically you'll be able to find your favorites on AllTrails app in this way. So that's the way you could find your favorites. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.